white horses, they run on the chalk, and the horses in white guard the stones. Freedom we sing, for freedom we walk, and the white horses run on the chalk. To the long barrow we walked, I began to see it all. I'm blessed, right blessing. I'm blessed, right blessing. And the drummer's drumming up the gods, the drummer's drumming up a hidden chord, and the drummers bring the song to life. The drummers lay awake and us to cry. From the white chalk to the heather, from the green wood to the fair, there is no way I know better, or to bind our souls together. And the white horses they run on the chalk, and the horses in white guard the stones. Freedom we sing, for if we walk, and the white horses run on the chalk. Through the long barrow we walked, I began to see it all. I'm blessed, right blessing. I'm blessed, right blessing. And the singer's singing up the moon, the singer she is singing for the dead, and the singer calls the spirits home. The singing and the drumming bind us all. From the white chalk to the heather, from the green wood to the fair, there is no way I know better, or to bind our souls together. And the white horses they run on the chalk, and the horses in white guard the stones. Freedom we sing.